Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into Arch-based distros or looking to boost your system's performance, today's video is all about the September 2024 ISO release of CachyOS. This new release promises some major performance improvements, including a boost for LLVM, Clang, and even GCC compilers. So, if you're curious about how CachyOS is pushing boundaries this time around, let's dive right into it. CachyOS, the Arch Linux-based distribution with a strong focus on KDE Plasma, just rolled out its September 2024 ISO. And let me tell you, it's not just another routine update. It's packed with optimizations that are sure to catch your attention. At its core, this release is powered by the latest Linux Kernel 6.11, which brings stability, new features, and some under-the-hood improvements. But that's just the start. Let's talk about some of the performance boosts you're going to see. The standout feature of this release is the performance optimization for compilers. According to the CachyOS devs, LLVM and Clang compilers have been fine-tuned using PGO, profile-guided optimization. This tweak results in a 10% performance boost for these compilers and a 1.5% improvement for GCC. Now, these may sound like small numbers, but for developers and power users, every bit of extra speed counts. Packages like SVT-AV1, Node.js, and ripgrep have also been optimized using PGO, and the team promises to keep pushing for more performance enhancements across their package ecosystem. Plus, they've added cherry-picked patches to glibc and GCC from ClearLinux, which should further boost system performance. Now, let's talk about some of the user-facing improvements. In this release, the in-house CachyOS KDE settings package has been updated to install a configuration file for the SDDM login manager, specifically for GPUs that support Wayland, like legacy NVIDIA cards. This means Wayland is now enabled by default for these users, allowing for smoother refresh rates, better resolution management, and overall improved display settings during the session. If you've been struggling with Wayland on NVIDIA, this could be a game changer for you. There have also been some behind-the-scenes updates to improve your system's network handling and time synchronization. The CachyOS settings package now uses Systemd Resolved as the backend for Network Manager, which should fix some nagging Steam download issues that were reported. They've also added an NTP server for Systemd time synced, addressing user concerns about the default time servers not syncing properly. These small fixes go a long way in improving the day-to-day experience for users. If you're thinking about installing CachyOS fresh on a new system, the graphical installer, Calamares, has also seen some improvements. The team fixed an issue where the root file system wasn't unmounting correctly after installation. They've also made the launch installer feature sync the time with the hardware clock, ensuring a smoother setup process. And here's a cool one. The repository sync time has been reduced from 3 hours to just 1 hour. This means that CachyOS optimized packages will now stay in closer sync with the upstream Arch Linux repos, giving you faster access to updates. Another notable change starting with this release is the application of the fno semantic interposition flag to fpic compiled packages. This optimization could significantly improve the performance of many shared packages. And here's something for those of you who love efficiency. CachyOS has begun replacing the standard zlib with zlibbing, a more modern alternative that offers better performance and more advanced techniques. This is yet another sign that CachyOS is committed to keeping things cutting edge. Now, for those who want to give CachyOS a try, it's available for download in 2 main editions: desktop, which comes with KDE Plasma, and handheld. The handheld version supports popular gaming devices like the ROG Ally, Steam Deck, both OLED and LCD models, and the Legion Go. Pretty neat, right? Like Arch Linux, CachyOS is a rolling release distro, meaning you install it once and keep receiving updates forever. If you're already a CachyOS user, no need to reinstall. You can just update your system with the good old sudo pacman cu command. So, what do you think about the September 2024 release of CachyOS? The performance improvements and optimizations are definitely appealing, especially if you're a developer or gamer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to install this new version or update your current system? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Linux content, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and happy computing.